How to verify your identity on Wise. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And here, if you just created your Wise account and can't send money or receive money yet, well, you will need to verify your identity. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you'll usually get a prompt asking you to verify your identity before sending money or ordering your Wise card. If not, then you can just go to your account section at the top, and here you can just tap on the verification manually from the menu. And here, before you begin, make sure that you have a valid government issued ID like a passport, national ID, card, a driver license depending on your country. And after that, you can just tap on start verification and follow the prompts. And once you're done with that, you'll be asked to take a photo of your ID, so make sure it's clear, readable, and within the frame. And with that, try to avoid glare or blur. And next, Wise may ask you to take a selfie or a short liveness video, and here you just have to follow the on-screen instruction, and this helps Wise to confirm that it's really you. And once everything is submitted, you just have to wait, and Wise usually verifies your identity within a few minutes to a few hours, and after that you'll get an email when it's done. And once verified, you'll have full access to send, receive, convert currency, and more without any limits. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.